we'll start with paper 2 guys. Kita mula dengan kertas 2 dulu, lepas tu kertas 1. Okay, we start paper 2, we discuss all the question. Question 1 until question 17. Okay, 17. Alright. Okay, so we start with section A first guys. Okay, so section A got 10 question, 10 soalan. Total is 40 marks, 40 markah. Okay, so this one they ask you to fill in the blank. Okay, kamu kena isi tempat kosong. So I think it's quite simple. Okay, so this is about definition. Okay, maksud lah. Okay, so the question is, what is the financial term? Istilah kewangan. Okay, so they say the amount of money received at the end of financial year and calculated based on money invested. So what is the answer for number 1 guys? Apa jawapan dia? Sejumlah wang diterima pada akhir tahun dan dihitung berdasarkan wang yang dilaburkan. So kamu kena pilih antara 3 yang ni. You must choose one answer. So anyone? Okay. Sama-sama. Lagi orang? The definition match which term? Okay. Let's check and see. Okay. Are you sure guys? Betul ke? Investment. Be careful lah. The correct answer is actually dividend, not investment lah. Okay, dividend is always the amount you receive at the end of financial year. The keyword is the end of financial year. Akhir tahun kewangan. Always remember dividend. Investment is the money you put in a property. Wang yang kamu labur kepada satu harta. Itu adalah pelaburan. Kamu akan melaburkan wang. Takkan dapat wang. You have to put certain amount of money. Okay? So that's why the answer is dividend. Can guys? Boleh? Yes. Investment is pelaburan. Correct. Alright. Okay, next one. They ask you the amount of money originally saved. Jumlah asal wang yang disimpan. So what term is it guys? School principal. This one is a different principle lah guys. This one is principle in term of money. Okay, dari segi kewangan. So if you guys thinking what is the meaning of principle? Principle is just how much you put inside the bank. Berapa kamu letak dalam bank. You guys remember the formula? I equal PLT. Do you all still remember this? All of you? Masih ingat? This is your lower form mathematics. So this P over here is your principle. So that is the principle. Okay, dapat guys? Jelas? So this one very easy. Okay, next one. So now they ask you to count the dividend. Yes, I equal PLT is to count simple interest. Faedah mudah. Alright? Okay, so this question they ask you how much dividend received. Okay, you see guys, see the keyword. Compounded every 4 months. Di compound 4 bulan sekali. So is this simple or compound interest? Very obvious. Yang ni faedah mudah ataupun faedah compound? Yes. Okay, whenever you see the word compounded, di-compoundkan, confirm is compound interest. Okay, so you guys must remember the formula lah. Okay, kena ingat rumus untuk faedah compound interest. Okay, so this one actually you no need to memorize. Tak perlu hafal because is already given. Okay, sudah diberi dalam senarai rumus. Let me show you over here so that you guys believe that is over there. This formula memang no need to memorize one. Wait, okay, you guys see over here. Can you see guys? Number 8 sudah diberi maturity value, nilai matang. So you no need to memorize this formula. Tak perlu hafal. Okay, it already given. Okay, so you just direct apply the formula to the question. Okay, so let me find it. Okay, so may I know guys, what is your P value over here? Apa nilai P kamu? Cuba lihat soalan. You go step by step. Analyze one by one. So P value first. How much? Anyone? Nilai P? Very simple guys. Yes. Okay, confirm the answer is 20,000. 20,000. Okay. And then what is your R value? Nilai R? R is your interest rate. Kadar faedah. Yes. Okay, 0.05. Remember 5% means 5 over 100. Okay, so 5 bahagi 100. 0.05. Okay. And then what is your N guys? N is the number of times compounded. bilangan kali yang kamu compound. Terbalik is terbalik. Is 12 over 4, which is 3. You must take one whole year, 1 tahun. One whole year is 12 months, 12 bulan. Bahagi 4. Okay, because compounded every 4 months. Means 4 months, one time compound. Selepas 4 bulan, baru 1 kali compound. Okay, so that's why it's 12 over 4. Okay, so N value is 3. And then, what is the T value, guys? Apa nilai T? Soalan ni. Okay, yes. Very. No. Wrong. Salah. 1. Correct. Okay, the answer is 1. Can you see, guys? Selepas setahun. In a year. In a year. 1 tahun. Mereka tanya berapa dividen yang kamu dapat selepas setahun. Okay? Alright. So, guys, you must understand, when they ask you count dividend, means they want you to find what, guys? They want you to find the final amount or the interest. Dia nak cari jumlah akhir ataupun faedah. Kalau dia tanya dividend. You guys think and see. Is it the final amount or interest? Cuba fikir. Which one is the correct one? Cuba jawab. Mereka nak kira wang akhir ataupun faedah. Final amount. Okay, some more. More people. You must try to answer, guys. Cuba jawab. Total amount. Okay, let's see, guys. Okay, you see over here. Okay, wrong, is interest only. Okay, you cannot count final amount. Remember, guys, dividend is a form of interest. Okay, you must know this. Satu bentuk faedah is dividend. That's why you see this answer they minus with the initial amount. Wang awal, iaitu 20,000 principal. Okay, so that's why you see they will get the interest itself. Okay, or the dividend. Okay, so if you press calculator, you should get, let me count and see. So your final answer supposedly is this one. Okay, yang ni adalah jawapan akhir. 1016.76 RM. Dapat, guys? Do you get the concept? So you just use MV equal that formula. Rumus tu yang ni. Dapat jawapan minus 20,000. When you minus 20,000, you will count the interest, faedah yang ada. Faham, guys? Do you get the concept? Clear for this question? Okay, very good. Next question. Question number 2. Soalan kedua. Okay, so for question number 2, we are talking on journey lah. Basically, it's calculating distance, speed, all that. This one is lower form also. Menengah rendah. Okay, so the question is, calculate the distance, jarak Sungkai ke hentian rehat. Okay, so you guys see over here. They talk about Kamal now. Sungkai to hentian rehat. Maksudnya yang ni lah. Okay, so like distance. Okay, so how to count distance here, guys? What is the formula for distance? Apa rumus bagi jarak? Yes, you take the speed times with the time. Okay, jarak, laju kali masa sama dengan jarak. Okay, so that's all lah. Yang ni saja. Okay, so then you will get the answer. 92 times 2.5. Okay, so jawapan dia 230 kilometer. Settle. That is your answer for A. Alright, so boleh lihat sini. Just 2 marks. Simple, right? Senang kan? Okay, you see question B. So question B, they say Kamal start at 5:15 AM. Okay, dia mula pukul ni lah. And then they say, what is the time Mustafa start the journey? So sekarang dia nak tahu yang ni mula bila. Okay, and they say that both arrive at the same time. Dua-dua sampai kat sini masa yang sama. Okay, so you guys can count the time. Am I right? Okay, cuba kira. So he start, wait, I need to see. Okay, so he start at 5:15 AM. Okay, this one is 5:15 AM. Okay, so how long is the travel time, guys? May I know? Berapa masa perjalanan kat sini for Kamal? 2.5 hours, 2 hours. So total 4.5 hours. 4 jam setengah. Okay, so what is the time he reached over here? If you plus 4.5 hours, you can count and see. Anyone? Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is 9:30 a.m. Okay, you can just plus 4:30, something like this. Because the first number is hour, nombor pertama tu jam, second number is minute. Okay, so that's why you get the answer 9:45. Okay, yes. Okay, so 9:45 a.m. So means that Mustafa also reached 9:45 a.m. Am I right? Yang ni pun masa sama lah, because the question say is the same time. Okay, so now you must find when he start, bila dia mula. Okay, so what is the concept? Okay, so the distance, guys. May I know for Mustafa and Kamal, distance is same or different? Jarak sama atau berbeza? Common sense. Sungkai to Kemaman. Confirm same lah. Cannot change. Same lah. Sama. Because he start and end at the same place. Tempat permulaan, tempat pengakhiran sama. Alright. So, 230 km, you have to find the distance over here as well. Okay, kamu kena cari. So, 85 times 2. So, you will get 170. So, the distance here is 230 plus 85 times 2. So, the answer is 400 km. Alright. So, you already get 400 km. So, now what you can do, guys? Boleh buat apa? You can find the time, masa. So, how you find time? Time equal to, can anyone think and see? Masa sama dengan apa? You must know this one, the formula. Yes. Okay, time is equal to distance over speed. Jarak bagi laju. Okay, so the jarak 400 km, laju 80. Okay, so just 400 over 80. So your answer is 5 hours, 5 jam. So guys, if he reach 9:45 a.m., 5 hours, what is the time he start? May I know? Masa apa dia mula? Kalau ambil 5 jam. Yes. Okay, the answer is 4:45 lah. 9:45 minus 5. So the answer is 4:45. Okay, so maksudnya dia mula 4:45 a.m. lah. Okay, this one got mistake here, I think. Yang ni salah. It should be 4:45. Okay, supposedly should be 4:45 a.m. Okay, can guys? Boleh? Do you guys get the concept? So this is how you solve the question. Alright. Any problem so far, guys? Ada apa-apa soalan setakat ni? None? Okay, if none, we continue. Okay, next question. So now, this question is about simultaneous equation. Okay, persamaan serentak. So the question is, they ask you to find the price for a pen and a pair of scissors. Okay, so you must do assumption here, guys. Kamu kena buat anggapan. Okay, so very simple. Usually in simultaneous equation, we always use X and Y. Like that lah. Correct. Okay, so you first must write this, guys. Don't write the equation first. Jangan tulis persamaan dulu. Write your assumption. Okay, not just pen. You must be specific. Price of one pen. You cannot just write pen, scissors. Because if you write like that, it's too general. Terlalu umum. Kamu kena kata harga. Keyword is harga. Okay, so price of one scissors. Kena tulis macam ni. Okay, then only mula tulis persamaan. Okay, so you see 2 pen, 4 scissor, 20. So 2x, 4y sama dengan 20. Total lah jumlah harga 20. Okay, second equation. Can anyone tell me persamaan kedua based on your information? Okay, 2 more than a price of pen. Yes, correct. Okay, so y equal to 2 plus x. Okay, because they say harga sebilah gunting 2 lebih. Okay, so maksudnya gunting tu kena lebih tinggi harga lah. Okay, your scissor is more expensive. So y equal to 2 plus x. Okay, do you get it, guys? So this is first equation. This is second equation. What can you do, guys? Boleh buat apa? You can do substitution, penggantian. Okay, so just substitute this inside here. Gantikan and then solve your equation. Selesaikan. So you will get the answer x equal to 2, y equal to 4. Okay? Jelas? Do you get the concept? So you want me to show the working also can. You just substitute 2 plus x equal to 20 and then you must expand lah. Kena kembangkan. So 2x plus 4x plus 8 equal to 20. So 6x equal to 12 and you will get x equal to 2. Dapat dah nilai x. Slowly ya. Oh, I too fast Okay, I slow down a bit. Can understand this step? Boleh faham yang ni? How I get the x? Just substitute only. Gantikan yang ni dalam y. So kamu dapat macam ni lah. Alright. Yang ni campur semua bab. Yang ni adalah ulang kaji. Bab menengah rendah dan form 4. Untuk semua form 5. Sebab ada orang lupa dah semua bab ni. So saya kumpul dan bincang ikut format SPM bagi kertas 2. Tapi semua bab menengah rendah dan form 4 saja. Tak ada form 5 lagi. Okay. Can So you will get x equal to guys. Okay, so then you just substitute, gantikan y equal to 2 plus x. So y equal to plus 2. So the answer is 4. Okay lah, yeah, I should speak chapter 1 form 5, but not much effect lah. Because only one chapter is very hard to make the paper that way. Unless you guys learn until a certain amount, then only I can master form 5. But now it's still very early. Okay? That's why I want you guys to revise form 4. Kena ulang kaji tingkatan 4. Because a lot of you will forget already. Banyak orang pasti lupa. Okay? So, clear this question? Any problem with this one? If no question, we continue. Pergi lagi. Okay, Nana? Alright. So, next question. So, next question is, I think a general one. Okay, this one is about inequality. Ketaksamaan. Okay, so the question is, can you share the question link? I think I got share in Telegram, if not mistaken. You must be in my WhatsApp group. Then only I share the PDF. If other place, you just follow over here lah. Okay, that one later, Kai, at the end of the lesson. Yeah. Okay, so now, they say membership card, RM10. For those don't have the PDF, you just follow based on what I show. Okay? Ada. Okay. So, membership card, RM10. And then ada voucher, RM5. Okay, and then what else? Okay, RM450 per box. So, ada semua informasi yang ni. RM450 sekotak. So, they say the maximum, guys. Maximum expenditure RM30. Okay, harga maximum RM30. Okay, this is the maximum lah. So guys, if they say maximum, what is the inequality sign? May I know? Apa simbol ketaksamaan dia bila cakap maximum? You must know this. Anyone can type out the inequality symbol. I need you to write out the symbol, then only I can see. Yes. Okay. Is there equal sign or no equal sign? Ada sama dengan atau tak ada? Got. Very good. Okay. Must have inequality sign. Alright. So less than or equal to 30. So this is the right hand side, belah kanan. And then left hand side, you must see the question. They ask you maximum number of milk. Bilangan maximum susu. So you guys must give a letter lah for the number of milk. Okay, maybe you assume the number of milk is X. Katakan bilangan maximum susu sama dengan X. Okay, so one box RM450. So X box 450X. You use the ratio concept. One box 450. So now you say got X. So you get 450X. Am I right? So you just write 450X. But there is membership card RM10 and also a voucher will be given free to every new member. So they say this person is a new member. Orang ni adalah ahli baru. So means that she will get the voucher. So voucher mean what happened, guys? If voucher mean you plus or minus, may I know? Common sense, voucher. Kena tambah atau tolak? You think and see lah. Tolak lah, correct. Okay. So there is also a membership card keahlian. Okay, this one must plus or minus. Membership card, RM10. Okay, we see all right, must plus guys. Membership card you must plus, not minus. Only discount you minus, because membership card you must apply. Am I right? Okay, card keahlian kamu kena apply. Kalau apply kena bayar. Okay, so you won't reduce one, takkan tolak. Okay, so it's 10 plus 4.5x minus the discount or voucher 5. So this is your inequality, guys. Ketaksaman. So this is your inequality over here. Okay, so what you need to do, just solve for x. Selesaikan saja. Okay, so you will get the answer x less than or equal to 50/9. It's like, when do you purchase, we add points using the members only card. Yes, correct. That one we not talking over here. That one is a different concept. This one is just getting the card only, the initial stage. This one is the starting, not yet collect point yet. Okay, all right. So this one, you see your x, guys. X is the maximum number of milk, bilangan maximum susu. So can the answer be 50/9? Logically, 50/9 number of milk. You think logic lah? Can or not? 50/9. Yes or no? 50/9, if you guys count, is equal to how much? You should get 5.56. So is it logic, guys? Your answer is like this? Cannot. So you need to round off, bundakan. So may I know the answer is 5 or 6? 5 atau 6? Jawapan dia. Akhir. You must follow the symbol lah, guys. Kamu kena follow, ikut simbol ketaksaman. Sekarang lebih kurang atau sama dengan 50/9. So kamu pilih 5 atau 6? 5 or 6? Common sense, it should be 5 lah. Am I right? Because less than or equal to. Correct? So you must go to 5. That's why your final answer is actually 5. Okay? Dapat? Why your final answer like this? Can guys? So this is how you solve inequalities. Ketaksaman. Okay? Alright. So continue. Okay, next one. This question is on quadratic, if not mistaken. So you guys going to solve quadratic equation over here. Okay, so for this one, volume of gold bar, isi padu bongkar emas. Wow, 1029 cm cube. Okay, slowly. Okay, sorry. If I'm going too fast, please tell me guys, kalau saya terlalu cepat. Because sometimes I tak sedar. Bila bincang, saya akan automatically pergi cepat. Macam tu. Unless you guys got question, then only I slow down. Kalau ada nampak soalan, baru saya pause kejap. Kalau tak ada apa-apa, saya akan terus bincang saja. Okay? Alright. So now, they ask you calculate the value of H. Okay, hitung nilai H. Okay, so the shape over here is actually a right prism. Okay, prisma tegak. Alright. So how do you find the volume? What is the formula that you all know? Formula for volume of prism. Actually, the concept is very simple over here. Leach. What do you mean leach? I don't understand. Oh, okay. L times, oh, no wonder. I got scared already. L times W times H. May I know what is your H over here? Okay, H I know, but not correct. Wrong. The concept wrong. Base times height. No. Now you're finding the whole volume, guys. Seluruh, the whole prism. If you say base times height, you never consider yet the full volume. Any other ideas? Salah. Panjang kali lebar kali tinggi salah. Separate the thing. Okay, can you explain a bit more? What do you mean by separate? First count rectangular. Okay. Then count triangle. Oh, you're doing that method. Okay. Not wrong, but too hard. Take long time. Yes, Fauzana correct. The concept is you must take area of cross section times height. Okay, luas keratan wentas kali tinggi. So guys, where is the cross section here? May I know? Mana keratan wentas? Kat sini. Type for me the label if you understand the meaning of cross section. This is an important concept. Where is your cross section in this question? If anyone don't know the meaning of cross section, please tell me ya guys. Kalau orang tak faham maksud keratan wentas, tolong komen kat sini. Saya boleh terangkan. Okay, very simple guys. How do I explain this? Let me show something to you guys. Let me think. Okay, I use my water tumbler. Okay, you guys can see this, right? Boleh nampak yang ni kan? Okay guys, you see carefully. This one over here. What shape is this here, guys? Cannot see. Look at my camera. Nampak camera saya, guys. Pin my camera. Yeah. You just focus on my hand. Can you see this shape over here, guys? This shape is what shape? May I know? Yang ni. Apa bentuk dia? Yang saya sentuh ni. Circle, right? Bulatan, right? Okay, I ask you a common sense question. You see from this view. All the way here, guys. Seluruh permukaan ni ya. Kamu bayangkan saya potong botol saya ni. I cut my bottle at different place. What shape do you get guys? Apa bentuk yang saya dapat? Boleh saya tahu? Cuba bayangkan. Saya potong dia sampai ke bawah ni. You get circle, right? Kat mana-mana kamu potong pun dapat bulatan kan? Wherever you cut, confirm you get a circle. So that is the meaning of cross section. Keratan wentas itu maksud dia. Kamu akan dapat bentuk sama. Walaupun kamu potong ke mana-mana pun, still circle, bulatan. Do you understand, guys? That's the concept. So if you apply the concept here, what is the cross section now that you can see? The cross section is this one, right, guys? Trapezium yang ni kan? Can you guys imagine? Because no matter where I cut, you will still get a trapezium. Faham? So the concept is you take the area of trapezium times the height. Yang ni adalah ketinggian dia. Faham tak? Sebab dia akan melalui keseluruhan yang ni untuk dapat isi padu. You will go through the 14 cm length. Because you see the shape at the back here, the distance between these two is 14, right? Jarak dia 14. So that's why you just count area of trapezium, half times 8 plus 12, sum of two parallel sides. Hasil tambah 2 sisi selari, 8 plus 12. And then times height times by 14. Do you get the concept, guys? Dapat? So this one over here is trapezium. Seluruh yang ni trapezium. Okay? And then this one is the height, ketinggian. Okay? This one is area. Dapat, guys? Are you all clear? So area times height is equal to volume lah, isi padu. Okay? So you can see over here the working. So macam ni. So half times 8 plus 12 times h times 14 equal to volume. So just tekan calculator, get your answer for h. Okay, so h is equal to 7.35. Okay, jelas guys? Are you all clear how to solve the question? Can? For this one? Any problem? Nana? Tada? All right. So continue. Next one. Okay, so the next question is, they are going to melt this gold bar. Okay, dia nak lebur emas ni. Tak tahu kenapa lah mereka nak lebur. Okay, so they want to form cubes, kubus. Waste a lot of money. Am I right, guys? You have a gold bar of how much? 1029 cm cube. If I were this person, right, you know what I do? I sell the gold bar so that can fetch a good price. Saya akan jual yang ni supaya dapat harga yang bagus. 1029 cm cube, you know guys. Can you imagine how big is that? If you guys see the gold price now, cuba tengok harga emas berapa sekarang. 1 gram sangat tinggi dah. 1029 cm cube, kamu bayangkan. Use the money, go date at Fringy Beach. Part of the plan, but not everything. Please repeat the H value. Okay, for the H value, right, you want to find the height, ketinggian, am I right, of the trapezium. This one over here. So, they give you the volume, isi padu. So how you count volume? Volume is area times height. You must understand this concept. Okay, volume equal to area times height. Okay, because area is meter square, and then height is meter. So meter square times meter, you get meter cube. Am I right? Meter cube is volume, right? Isi padu. Okay, so area, you must remember, we are talking about the cross section area, like what I explained just now, kelatan rentas. So this is what you call as cross section area, luas kelatan rentas. So this area is trapezium, right? So you just find the area of trapezium. That's all. Okay, so that's why area of trapezium, you can see the working here. Okay, you know the formula, right? Half times sum of two parallel side times height. So the two parallel side is 8 and 12, EF and AB. Okay, then the height we want to find. That is the question over here, the height. Okay, and then times, actually you can call this as length also, no problem. Yang ni boleh panggil panjang lah, so that you don't confuse between the two height. Okay, 14 you can tell it as length also. Area times length equal to volume. Okay, so you can change this become length so that not so confusing. Okay, can guys? Boleh dapat konsep dia? Alright, so next one, question B. So for question B, they ask you calculate the number of cubes, bilangan. So basically, you take the total volume, divide the volume for 1 cube. 1 cube is 7 times 7 times 7 lah. Because cube, all the side are same length. Kubus lah, semua sisi pasti sama. So you just count this answer lah guys. You will get the answer. Okay, so 1029 over 7 cube. Yeah, you should get 3. Okay, so that is the answer. 3. Okay, dapat guys? This question? Senang kan? So far? Very simple. Usually section A for paper 2 maths, quite straightforward lah. Quite straightforward. You guys must try to score as much as you can in section A. Alright? Okay, so now, this question we are talking about straight lines. Garis lurus, another lower form topic. Okay, menengah rendah. So they ask you find the equation of straight line RQ. Okay, so how do we find? Oh, Form 4 chapter 6. Yeah, but that one got question. We will discuss later. Ada soalan nanti. Section B. Linear inequalities. Ketaksaman linear. The one you have to draw graph, find the shaded region, kawasan berlorek, all those stuff lah. Okay? Yes. A bit technical. That's why some people don't like. I can understand why. Okay? All right. So for this one, guys, they ask you find the equation for RQ. Okay, so what do you need? Okay. So what do you need to find an equation, guys? May I know? First information. What should you have if you want to form equation? Apa kamu kena ada dulu? Okay, X. What else? Yes, very good. I see the keyword. You must have gradient, guys. First information, or in BM is called kecerunan. Second information, yes, y-intercept. Okay, pintasan y ataupun nilai C. Okay, so this is the two information you need. That's all. Yang tu saja. Okay, so now they want you to find for QR, right guys? Kamu nanya ni. So you can use these two coordinate, correct? Because they say parallelogram. segi empat selari. So guys, RQ, OP, are they parallel or not parallel? May I know? Selari atau tak selari? RQ and OP should be parallel lah. Okay, dia adalah selari. So means that kecerunan akan sama. Am I right? If you say parallel, means gradient automatically the same. So if I find gradient of OP, saya sudah dapat kecerunan QR automatically because they are the same. Sama. Okay? So you can just count the gradient for this. So gradient equal to y over x. So y is 3, x is 4. Okay, so that's why jawapan dia 3/4. Alright? Okay, so now, how do you find the y-intercept, guys? May I know? Macam mana kamu boleh cari pintasan y? Based on the question. Yes. Okay, which coordinate will you sub? May I know? Kamu gantikan coordinate mana? So now you're finding for QR. Persamaan garis QR. Oh, actually, they actually got the answer already. Sudah ada. Sorry. This coordinate is already the pintasan y. So sudah sangat terang lah. Okay, very simple already. So you know your C value equal to 4 terus. Tak perlu kira apa-apa. Okay, so your final answer is y equal to 3 over 4x plus 4. Done. Itu saja. So no need to show any calculation. Only this one. Kamu kena tunjuk yang ni saja. Okay, and then final answer. Okay, so this is your answer. Alright. Okay, maybe some people will ask me, akan ada orang tanya, boleh tak saya tulis jawapan macam ni? Let's say I write my answer like this. Can lah guys? Boleh tak? This answer. Yes or no? Some more people? What do you think? Can or cannot? Kalau saya tulis macam tu. Okay, the answer is can. Boleh. Can guys? It's no problem one. Because the question just asks you equation. Soalan tanya persamaan saja. They never specific. Mereka tak cakap kena dalam bentuk am. They don't say must be in general form. General form mean y equal mx plus c. This is bentuk am. So when the question never say anything, this one also can, this one also can. Dua-dua pun boleh. It depend on you lah. But for me, a better answer is this one. Saya rasa yang ni lebih bagus because it's the most accurate, paling tepat. But even if you write this, also can. You still get correct. Okay? So no problem on this one. Sometimes you will see the question asked like this. They will ask you, give me your answer in this format. Mereka akan spesifikkan dalam soalan. Bagi dalam format ni kat saya. Then you must follow this lah. Kena ikut. You must change this one to this format. Understand? So just see the question carefully. Nampak betul-betul. Okay? Alright. So next one. They ask you the x-intercept. Pintasan x. So how do you find x-intercept, guys? May I know? What is the assumption? Anggapan kamu? Macam mana cari pintasan x? Yes. Okay, always y equal to 0. Okay, this is how you find x-intercept. So 0 equal to 3 over 4x plus 4. Selesaikan untuk x. Okay, so you will get x is equal to negative 16 over 3. Okay, so this is your answer. So boleh tulis macam ni, macam ni, macam ni. Anything you like, as long you get the correct answer. Okay? Can we use NMATS formula? Can you answer this question for me, guys? Please. Semua orang cuba jawab. Boleh tak saya guna rumus NMATS untuk selesaikan? You guys should know by now. Can, of course can. Kai, are you sarcastic? Okay, guys, the answer is a big no. Perkataan tidak sangat besar. No NMATS is allowed in mathematics. Tak boleh guna apa-apa rumus NMATS dalam matematik. Dilarang. Okay, it's banned. You know the meaning of ban, right, guys? Ban to use in mathematics. Yes, maths and NMATS are like enemies. Mereka tak suka satu sama lain. So make sure don't use the formula. Okay, whatever you study in that subject, you just use that one. Tak perlu campur-campur. Okay, make it separate, berasingan. Okay, but your result must almost the same. Yes, yes. That one is the only thing that must be same. Your result. Other than that, not the same. Okay, cannot be one perfect, one bad. Very smart, Kai. Very good, lah you. Okay, so understand, huh? Question 7, guys. Sorry, question 6. So now is question 7. Okay, so question 7 is about your sets Venn diagram. This one you guys like, I think. Suka. Okay, so this one, they ask you to draw for M and E. Kena lukis. Okay, so M is the multiple of 3. Nombor gandaan 3. So can you guys take deep breath and slow down? Okay, okay. I am doing at this pace, you know why, guys? Kamu, okay, siapa rasa pantas kat sini? Cuba jawab. Siapa rasa saya buat sangat pantas? Cuba komen. Who feel like I'm very fast? One person only? Satu orang saja? Out of 2, 3, 3 only. 3 out of 32. 3 of 32. I support this speed a little bit. Okay lah. I try to go slower a bit lah. Okay, but why I do like this is because one is to train you guys to answer the question fast. You know what I mean? Because mathematics kamu kena cuba tingkatkan kelajuan anda. Kalau tak, susah nak selesaikan dalam 2 jam 30 minit. So that's why I explain fast. So that you guys also get used to solving fast. Kamu kena selesaikan dengan pantas. Okay, so that boleh jawab semua soalan. Are you clear? So that is one thing. Second thing, maybe it's my style. My style is when we discuss paper, usually I will go slightly fast lah. But when normal lesson time, nak ajar sesuatu topik, saya sangat detail. But this class over here, right, I expect that all your form 4 basic and your lower form is actually strong already. You know what I mean, guys. Okay, saya dah jangka form 4 dan lower form kamu power dah. So saya ajar guna anggapan tu. So that's why kamu nampak saya ajar pantas. Saya tak ajar sangat detail satu soalan. Faham tak? Because by now you guys should be good in lower form and form 4. Because now you're form 5 already. Am I right? So that's why saya ikut kelajuan, ikut pemahaman kamu lah, based on what I assume. Okay? I love your style. No, I love you, Tik. Oh my God. Kai, no need to risk people lah. I know you're very good at reasoning. I not fall for all this risk thing. Best 08 very good at reasoning, especially. Oh, you risk me only. Okay, okay, can. No problem. Can. Okay. So now guys, focus question 7 now. Okay. So can you all tell me what is the multiples of 3? This one you guys must know. Cuba senaraikan nombor gandaan 3. This is your basic you learn in lower form. Okay, 3, 6, 9. Yes, correct. Okay, so you guys must only list based on these numbers. Kamu kena pilih daripada 6 nombor ni saja. Okay, so for M, you will get 3, 6, 9. Okay, and then even number, nombor genap. Cuba senaraikan guys. I need to be loyal to Sir and add maths. Oh, you don't like I see you put highs at the end there, means you don't like to do this stuff. Yang ni apa? Yang ni form 4 chapter 4. Set. Yes, very good. Okay, 4, 6, 8. Even number. Okay, so done. So now you can draw the Venn diagram. So guys, yes, this one is so that you guys can revise form 4. Boleh ulang kaji form 4. Because majority sudah lupa. Lower form and also form 4. Okay, all right. So for M and E, is there any intersection guys? May I know? Ada apa-apa persilangan set antara M dan E? Yes. Okay, you will have. You can see number 6. Okay, so that's why if I forget about maths, I will never forget about you. Oh my God. Why is Why is there's no music playing in the background right now, guys? There is one music, right? They will put for this kind of risk. I can hear that music in my brain now. Yeah. This one memang risk one. Top class. Not guitar sound. Not guitar. This one, but something like guitar sound. Something like that. Something lah. But I don't know how to describe the sound. If you guys see the wheel, you know what I mean. Kai, teach me how to risk. You want to risk who? Mr. Teo. Okay, so come here guys. They ask you draw the set, right? Okay, kamu kena lukis gambar aja van. Okay, so you just label this as M, you label this as E, you label this as universal set semester, and then you put all the elements. Okay, letak semua nombor. Okay, but over here, right, you actually no need to show the element. Tak perlu letak element. The reason is because only 2 marks. 2 markas saja. Okay, so when you see the question 2 marks, right, you no need to label the numbers inside. Okay, tak perlu letak. You guys just need to show the shape. Tunjuk bentuk saja. Cukup. Okay, do you guys understand? What happened if you put element? I think should be okay lah. Still correct. You see the scheme say abaikan unsur. Can you see? Means they will just neglect. Even if you put element, just neglect it. So you want to put also no problem. But if you put wrongly, minus mark. Kalau tiba-tiba tersalah letak, habis. So that's why I say got danger in this. What they don't want you to do, don't do. Kalau soalan tak tanya yang tu, jangan sangat pandai nak letak. Kalau letak salah, habis. So that's why sometimes, right guys, in SPM, right, you must be dumb. You know what I mean as dumb? Kamu kena bodoh sikit. Kadang-kadang lah. When the question says something, you just answer the question lah. No need to do extra. Kenapa nak buat lebih? Kalau soalan tanya yang tu, jawab yang tu lah. Straight to the point. You know the meaning of straight to the point? Terus. Tak perlu bengkok. Tak perlu jalan bengkok. Jalan lurus saja. Straight to the point. The checker innocent. Okay. Soalan cakap A, buat A. Yes. That's what I mean. Soalan cakap A, buat A. Correct. So you guys follow that concept. Especially in mathematics or even at maths. Use that concept. Okay. Alright. So guys, may I know, is this mutually exclusive or non-mutually exclusive? This one. Yang ni saling eksklusif atau tidak saling eksklusif? You see the Venn diagram. Exclusive means special. You can understand exclusive by special. You know the meaning of special, right guys? Istimewa. Istimewa maksudnya apa? Dia tak ada hubungan dengan orang lain. Itu maksudnya orang yang istimewa. Faham tak? Sebab dia berbeza, lain daripada yang lain. Boleh kata macam ni, lain daripada yang lain. Faham kan maksud ni? Ini maksudnya eksklusif. Faham? Lain daripada yang lain. Different from the rest. No covalent bond. Don't bring chemistry here lah, Kai. Please. This lesson is not chemistry, okay? Alright. So it's exclusive. Okay. I understand. Okay. So when you see this kind, guys, not exclusive or exclusive, may I know? Tidak eksklusif ataupun eksklusif. Not exclusive lah, because got intersection, ada persilangan. So maksudnya dia tak eksklusif lah. Okay? But if you see like this, let's say your Venn diagram macam ni. M, E. This one is exclusive. Sebab tak ada hubungan antara dua-dua set ni. No connection. So you call this as exclusive. Okay? So done for question A. Okay, non-mutually exclusive. Okay, so we see question B now. Bahagian B. Okay, so the question is calculate probability, kebarangkalian. Okay, take note guys. Venn diagram you can relate to probability. You guys must know this. Form 4 bab 4 ni ada hubungan dengan Form 4 bab 9. Probability. You can relate actually. Okay, so these two topic is connected. You must know. Okay, so they say even M or even E. Okay, so when you see the word or, guys, atau. Mana simbol yang kamu akan guna? A or B? Which one is correct? U or N? When you see O. Yes. Okay, the answer is A ya. You must have U. Bila nampak atau, ini adalah simbol dia. Okay, so maksudnya macam ni. Alright? Okay, so how do you write your answer, guys? Probability M union E equal to sama dengan apa? Okay, so you guys must think and see. M union E is this whole thing, right? Kamu nak cari seluruh yang ni kan? So the concept is probability M plus probability E minus probability M intercept E. Okay. Anyone here don't know why I need to minus this? Can you comment? Siapa rasa dia tak faham kenapa kena tolak probability M persilangan E? Ada? Okay. You guys see the concept? Okay, I need to explain this one in detail a bit. Okay. First one, probability M guys. Probability M seluruh yang ni kan? Yang ni faham kan? Okay, and then probability E seluruh yang ni kan? Okay. So cuba nampak ke tengah-tengah guys. Look at the middle circle lah. Ada dua warna kan? There is two color, blue and pink. Maksudnya dia ada persilangan kat situ. There is intersection. So means that if you don't minus this, right guys, let's say kamu tak tolak yang ni, kamu dah kira terlebih dah kebangkalian dia. Faham tak? Sebab dua-dua warna ni sudah overlap, biru dan pink. So that's why kamu kena tolak satu kali. So that kamu dapat jawapan untuk yang ni saja. Faham tak? Sebab ada overlap dua-dua warna. So that's why kena tolak. Okay, satu kali yang kat tengah-tengah. Formula dia apa? Yang ni. Yang ni formula dia untuk soalan macam ni. Kamu kena tahu yang ni. Okay? Bila kamu nampak union, kesatuan, inilah rumus dia. Okay? Dapat? Probability M plus probability E tolak probability M persilangan E. Okay, this one you got in your textbook guys. You can see textbook. Buku teks ada tunjuk yang ni. Form 4 chapter 9 kalau tak silap. Okay? Alright. So now you guys must count the probability lah. Kamu kena kira. Okay, so for M got 3 element right? Tadi. Okay, so it's 3/6 lah probability. Okay, because you have 6 numbers. 6 nombor total. Okay, so probability M is 3/6. Multiple of 3. Ada 3 elemen. 3, 6, 9. Okay. And then for E, even number. Nombor genap. Ada 3 juga. Okay, so 3/6 also. Okay, then intersection. Persilangan dia berapa tadi guys? 369 and 468. So persilangan dia satu saja kan? 6 saja yang serupa. So maksudnya satu sajalah. 1/6 kebangkalian dia. Okay, so kamu tambah 2 ni, tolak yang ni. So that is your answer. Okay, kita guna rumus yang ni. This is the formula. Okay, so that's why your answer is 5/6. 5/6. Okay, dapat? Do you guys understand the concept? How to solve? Boleh? No problem. Boleh Okay, next one. Okay, so next one. Form 4 chapter 3. Logical reasoning. Penakulan logic. This chapter you guys must memorize lah. No other way. Okay, so this one. Don't like. How you hafal your sejarah guys? May I know? Macam mana kamu semua buat sejarah? Kalau tak suka menghafal? If you don't like, memorize how you do history. Imagine. Oh, history can imagine also. Math chapter 3 cannot. Actually can, but it's a bit abstract. You know what I mean? Abstract means that you cannot see in front of your eye. Tak boleh nampak depan mata, kamu kena bayangkan sikit. Okay, but still can. Depend whether you're an imaginative person or not. Okay? Alright. So this one, they ask you premise 2. Okay, so can anyone tell the answer? Straight away, bagi jawapan. Premise 2. You guys remember? Sejarah was important though. That's why I don't like. Oh, different people different lah. Some people don't like memorize. Some people like memorize. Different type of people. So anyone boleh bagi jawapan premise tu? Jom. If you guys still remember. Anyone got answer? Ada jawapan? Ataupun sudah lupa macam mana lengkapkan? This one no concept guys. Tak ada apa-apa konsep yang ni. 100% memorize. If AB then BC. Not really. Okay, you see carefully guys. You see here is X. Kamu nampak X kan? Tiba-tiba muncul 16. So, this is actually one format. They are putting in a new number. Mereka letak satu nombor baru. Okay, so means that kalau lihat pola, 16 is not divisible by 4. So, kat sini kena letak 16 is not divisible by 2 lah. Nampak pola tak? Can you guys see? 16 tidak boleh dibahagi tepat dengan 2. Mereka tengah buat penafian kat sini. Negation, not. Bila nampak tidak, itu adalah penafian. So kamu ikutlah, not. Salin balik ayat. Lepas tu letak nombor ni. Jangan letak X. Letak nombor yang mereka bagi. 16. Okay? Faham? So that's how you answer lah. Okay? Alright. Okay, so they ask you, is the argument valid and sound? Adakah hujah dia sah dan munasabah? Okay, so this one you guys must check. Kamu kena lihat. Okay, so I ask you guys, is this correct or wrong? Adakah kesimpulan ni betul atau salah? 16 is not divisible by 4. Slowly. Step by step. Yeah, this one wrong, right? Salah kan? Okay, this one, premise tu, betul atau salah? Yes, this one also wrong. Salah. 16 sepatutnya boleh dibagi tepat dengan 2. Okay? Okay, enough. So whenever you see the conclusion is false, right guys? Kesimpulan palsu, automatically dia tidak munasabah. Okay, it is not sound when your conclusion is false. Remember guys, this one important. Sound or not sound, you guys must see conclusion, kesimpulan. Bila nak tentukan munasabah atau tidak, selalu lihat kesimpulan. Untuk sah, valid, kamu lihat semua premis dan kesimpulan. Adakah dia patuhi bentuk hujah yang sah atau tidak? So you guys see over here lah. Is it a valid form of argument? Adakah bentuk hujah dia sah? Betul lah. Dia salah. Okay? Because kita boleh lengkapkan dia dalam soalan A. Okay? So means that it is valid but not sound. Sah tapi tidak munasabah. Sebab kesimpulan dia salah. Okay? So you can see over here sah, tidak munasabah, premise 2 and conclusion is false. Tadi kita dah tengok. Okay? Faham? Do you guys understand? Kalau sah, kena kahwin dulu. Okay, faham maksud kamu. Okay, I get it. Sah, I don't understand. Oh, okay. Do you guys know the form of deductive argument or not? Berapa bentuk hujah deduktif kita ada guys? Cuba recap. 3, right? Okay, kita ada 3 bentuk hujah. First one is like this. If P then Q. Jika P maka Q. Okay, so you have P and then you have Q. Macam ni. Bukan yang tu. Yang ni hujah deduktif. Deductive argument. Okay, this is the first format. Second format, if P then Q. Lepas tu ada negate Q, negate P. Penafian lah. Okay, ini bentuk kedua. Third, yang ni special. All A are B. Semua A adalah B. And then C is A, C is B. C adalah A, C adalah B. C ni nombor baru lah, elemen baru. Macam soalan ni tadi, 16. 16 ni macam C. Faham tak? Do you guys see the concept? So these are the three forms of deductive argument. Okay, 3 bentuk. Formula was same. You mean this formula over here? Yeah, you're using this one over here. Yeah, this one. To answer question A, kita guna nombor 3, guys. Okay, that is the format we are using. Can you see? Boleh dapat? But actually sometimes, right, guys, the question dia boleh mix antara dua-dua. Contoh, dia boleh campur 2 dan 3 dalam satu soalan. Boleh juga. Tak semestinya dia ikut satu bentuk saja. Okay, sometimes they can mix between the two forms. Like this question number A, right? They actually campur number 2 with number 3. They mix the format. So it's still counted as valid. Masih sah. Sebab dia patuhi nombor 2 dan nombor 3. Faham tak? Dia combine dua-dua. Okay? Do you guys understand? Can get it? So remember, sound, munasabah, kamu lihat kesimpulan saja. Just see conclusion. Kalau salah, maksudnya tak munasabah. Itu saja. And then, for valid, you see the premises. And then, if all correct, then valid lah. Okay? Wah, straight away say proceed next question. I thought you guys say want to go slow. Semua kata nak pergi perlahan. That's why I discuss in detail lah. Okay, so now question A. So question A asks you to count length of arc, panjang lengkok. Oh, okay. Understand. Okay, so now panjang lengkok. Wrong. Guys, what did I tell you? Can you use S equal R theta? Admaths tak boleh guys. Dilarang Okay, cannot. Okay, you guys must use modern maths formula only. Okay, so what is the formula for modern maths? Length of arc, panjang lengkok. Yes, diharamkan. Macam tu lah. Maths more better than admaths. Okay lah, agree also. Okay, very good. Theta over 360. And then, ada satu lagi. Kamu kena jawab. Times with? Not complete. No. You guys remember the formula or not? The answer is 2 pi r. Yes, or 2 pi j also can. This is the formula for length of arc, panjang lengkok. But this formula is given. Yang ni sudah diberi. So tak perlu hafal. Okay? Alright. So what is the radius over here, guys? May I know? Apa jejari dia? Of course, 7 cm. Okay, and then pi is 22 over 7. 2. Okay, what is the angle? Sudut dia. Okay, so they ask you PQR, sector PQR. So panjang lengkok yang ni, this whole thing, they want you to count. PQR means that this angle. So how to get the angle? This one is a good question. Less than 180, you must tell me the exact value. Nilai yang tepat berapa? I want the POR angle. No. Macam mana boleh 90? Salah. Anyone else? Cuba. Try and see. Angle lah. I want angle, guys. Tak boleh 180. Guys, 180 is a straight line. 180 kena garis lurus. Yang ni baru 180. Yang ni bukan garis lurus kan? Wah, you guys simply guessing Don't randomly guess guys. Tak boleh teka macam ni. Okay. You guys see the question carefully. The question say QRO is a quadrant. Sukuan. Sukuan apa sudut dia, guys? Boleh saya tahu? Quadrant. What is the angle? This angle over here. Must be 90, right? Yeah, 90 degrees. Guys, sukuan tu 1/4 kan? So 1/4 kali 360 darjah times 360. 360 is one whole circle, seluruh bulatan. Okay, so when you have a circle and then you cut into 4, this is a sukuan. This is what you call as quadrant in English. Understand? 1/4, 1/4. Okay, sukuan. All right. Okay, and then the next one. Okay, this one over here is actually 60 degrees because same. This is what you call as equilateral triangle. Segitiga sama sisi. Okay, so semua akan 60. Okay, 180 bahagi 3. So all 60. Means all of this is 7 cm. Okay? Yes. So your total actually is 150. Okay, boleh dapat guys? Do you understand how to get it? Should be able to, right? Okay, so you can see the answer here. So final answer is 18.33. Yeah, just tekan calculator. Yeah. All right. Okay, next one. Area of shaded region. Luas kawasan berlorek. Okay, so how do we find the shaded region? Okay, concept very simple. You guys take the total, jumlah, tolak, yang tak berlorek lah. Okay, total minus unshaded region. That's all. Yes, big area minus small area. Okay, so formula. You guys must know the formula again. Area of sector. Can anyone type out? Luas sector. Apa rumus dia? Don't give me admax formula, guys. Jangan bagi rumus admax. Half times 7 times 7 equal a triangle. Not really. No. Are you sure, Akai? Cannot use that concept, because this triangle is not right angle. It's not a right angle triangle. So cannot use that formula. No. Area of sector, guys. Luas sector. You guys still remember the formula? What did I say, Mr. Kai? Admaths cannot use in mathematics. Oh my God. You guys love admaths so much, is it? Guys, kamu semua cinta sangat ke admaths ni? Setiap kali kata admaths. Dalam matematik pun kata admaths. Oh, admaths your girlfriend ah? Wow, I didn't know this thing lah. Admaths is your girlfriend. Okay, good job. Good job. Respect you. If you can treat admaths like your girlfriend, right guys, I guarantee all the 24 people here will get A+ lah in SPM. Kalau kamu boleh anggap admaths tu crush kamu, semua orang kat sini A+ tak ada masalah. Sebab saya tahu macam mana kamu buat kat crush kamu. You will do the same for admaths. If you guys can have that mindset, confirm A+ lah. Tak perlu duduk exam pun A+ dalam tangan dah lah guys. If you guys can think until like that, confirm A+. Half pi r square. No, wrong. Okay, if you guys forget, let me tell you guys. Okay, this is the formula, guys. Yes. Okay. Yeah, something like this. Okay. So this one is the area of circle actually. Luas bulatan. Pi r square. Okay. So just use the formula. The only thing different here is the angle. Sudut. Okay, for the besar one, the big one is 150 lah. So 150 over 360 times 22/7 times 7 square. And then the unshaded one, tidak berlorek, you minus 60. Okay, because this angle is 60, 60 darjah, over 360 times 22/7 times 7 square. Done. That's all. Tekan calculator, dapat jawapan. Okay, so your answer is 38.5 cm square. Okay, jelas so far? Any problem? Can, right? Okay, next one. This one is the last for section A, question number 10. Okay, so for this one is probability. Siapa tak suka kebarangkalian, make sure you focus, probability. Okay, so they say 100 workers. This is the total jumlah is 100. And then they say 40 workers use bus and train. And then the remaining use car. Okay, so baki will be 60 lah. 100 minus 40, 60. Yes. Slowly, because there are other questions also. Okay, they say half of the bus passengers on Monday use the train service. Other half vote cast. Okay. So they say half of bus passenger. So bus is 40. Wait, I must see this carefully. 40 orang masing-masing. Okay. So means bus is 40, kereta api also 40. Dua-dua pun 40. Okay, 40, 40. Because masing-masing. Okay. And then car will be 60. 60. Wait, cannot lah. Because total is 100. So mean must be 20, 20. 20, 20. It must be 20, 20. Because total must be 100. 100. Okay, based on the question. So this is how you must divide lah. Now 2025, no more 2020. Kai, you don't try to do this with me. Very good at playing. So what's the formula? There's no formula. Just interpret the sentence only. Baca ayat saja. Tak ada apa-apa rumus. Okay? Alright. So now, they say half of the bus passenger use the train. Okay, this is special day. The next day, hari seterusnya. Okay, so means half of the bus. So half times 20, 10. Okay, so 10 people cabut lah daripada bus, dia pergi kereta api. So kereta api tambah 10 lah, plus 10. Okay, so now this one is the new one, yang baru. Bus will become 10, train will become 30, car maintain 60 lah. Okay, let me check. Half vote car. Okay, bus will become 0, guys, because the bus tak ada dah, kosong. Plus 10 to the cars. Cars will become 70 now. 70. Now it's correct. Okay, sometimes you guys must be careful with the language. Kena hati-hati dengan bahasa. Bahasa sometimes is a bit confusing over here. Okay, so this is the situation. This is the old one. This is the new one. Lama dan baru. Okay, so after you interpret, you start to complete the Venn diagram. So kamu boleh lengkapkan lah. Okay, so probability for bus. Okay, you guys can count and see. Sorry, they give already. Bus is 2/5. Okay, and then probability for train. So train, what is the probability, guys? Kebarangkalian for kereta api. 2/3. Kereta api, kereta api. Train. Are you sure? 2/3. Okay, let me see the answer. Your answer should be same, 2/5. Okay, it should be the same as the bus. Sama. Okay, kena sama dengan bus. Okay, wait, maybe just now I make mistake code. Wait, let me count and see again. Because the number is the same. Nombor dia sama, 20, 20. That's why I feel the question got some problem. Wait, guys. 40 orang masing-masing menggunakan. Okay, I get it tadi. I get it. Okay, dapat dah. Okay, guys. The concept is whenever you see 40 orang masing-masing, 40 workers respectively, means that bus is 40, train also 40, so car is the remainder, 20. Baki menaiki kereta. Faham tak? Then total is 100. Do you guys see the concept? So using this concept, you guys modify now for the new one. Okay, so bus automatically jadi kosong because tak ada, sudah interrupt. And then for the train, they say that half of the bus, so 20 keluar, naik kereta api. So 40 plus 20, 60. And then the car, another 20, so become 40. You get it, guys? Dapat now? Sorry, just now I also confused. Okay, just be careful with the words. Okay, kena hati-hati sikit. Alright? So this is how you get 2/5 lah, because it's 40/100. So 2/5. So yang ni pun 2/5. And then this one, 1/5. Just remember your total here must always be 1. Okay, jumlah selalu kena 1 kebang kalian. Okay, and then the next one, train and car. So train will be 60 over 100. So 60 over 100, 3 over 5. This one 2 over 5. Okay, same concept over here, 3 over 5, 2 over 5. Dapat guys? Do you understand how to fill up? So just remember, you see, total 1, total 1, total 1. Okay? So, macam ni. That's all. Okay, next one. Oh, next one is a long one, but there is a simple method. Okay, the question is, probability use two different type. Guna dua jenis pengangkutan berbeza. So, wait. May I know why we can't write 2 over 5 instead of... Can? You can write 2 over 5, what? No. Don't underestimate me, guys. You see my face like that, actually very energetic one. Don't underestimate based on my face. You can write 2 over 5. 40 over 100 is better you don't write because you can simplify. Mathematics always permudahkan jawapan. So better not write this one. Always write 2 over 5. Okay? Alright. So now, they say two different transport, guys. Dua jenis pengangkutan. I'm not judged actually, my bad. It's okay. No problem. Okay. So since they say two different transport, guys, so means that this one is train and car, right? And then this one is car and train. So this is two different transport lah. So means that you just take this one and this one. Okay, dua ni saja. So you just plus lah. Okay, kamu tambah dua-dua kebang kalian ni. In between, you times. Bus and train and bus and car. No, bus, the second one don't have a D. Because Tuesday don't have bus. So bus, you cannot count the probability. Understand? Monday got, then what you going to do? Just plus 2 over 5. Cannot, what? You must have for 2 days. The question say for 2 days. Can you see? Dua hari. The question asks. So for 1 day, cannot. Cannot. Because there's no connection. Can you see? Your tree diagram. Bus got no connection to here or here. Tak ada hubungan. So you cannot plus. Oi, this person you should be in arts class, Kai, not in maths class. Pergi masuk kelas seni sekarang. Jangan masuk kelas matematik. Orang macam kamu tak boleh buat matematik. Very hard lah. Very hard. Your mind is not think straightforward. Guys, in mathematics, right, your mind must be straight to the point. Understand or not? You don't think why this one cannot, why that one cannot. Jangan fikir semua tu. You guys see mathematics question, right? Dia akan kata satu orang beli 50 apple. Kamu nak tanya balik soalan ke? Kenapa kena beli 50 apple? Kamu tak tanya kan? Jawab saja kan? That's why I say, guys, mathematics straight to the point. Don't need to think extra one. Orang straight cukup maths question tak payah straight. Straight plus straight equal very straight. That's why I understand. If you're straight, the exam also very straight. You become very straight. Yeah, you make me mad lah. Correct. Kai, next time you don't join the class, or else you keep ask the silly question. Yes. Any person who ask silly question, the calculator will land on their head. This is my famous saying. Siapa tanya soalan yang tak masuk akal, kena calculator saja. Stop using, sir. That's why. Okay. So now, guys, see the working. Nampak jalan kira. Okay, so you just need to do this one. Buat yang ni saja. Alright. So you just take this one times this one plus this one times this one. Okay, dua kenderaan berbeza. Two different transport. Okay, understand, guys? Question 10. Jelas? All of this you no need to know. Tak perlu tahu. Okay, one method is enough. Alright. Okay, so next one. Ready? Now it's already section B, bahagian B. A lot of marks, this one. Okay, use the easier method. Yes, correct. Okay, so this one, guys. they ask you find the point of intersection, titik persilangan. So how do you find intersection point, guys? May I know? What is the concept? Means that you must find your x and y. Am I right? Cari nilai x, cari nilai y. So you just solve simultaneous equation, persamaan serentak. Okay, so you can just substitute 1 into, gantikan. Okay, and then you selesaikan. Alright, so you can see the working here. So you gantikan, you will get x equal to 3, y equal to 6. Okay, so your final answer, you must write in coordinate form. Okay, kena tulis dalam bentuk coordinate because point of intersection, titik persilangan. This is the easiest method, Adi. No other method. This one is the easiest. You just substitute, so you will get 3 negative 2x plus 12 minus 4x equal to 6. So you solve this equation lah, guys. Selesaikan. Kembangkan, expand, kumpulkan semua x. So then you will get x equal to 3. Dapat? So you get the answer lah. And then ganti balik, find your y. Okay? If the first was wrong, then the end was all wrong. You mean part A wrong, is it? Kalau bahagian A salah, then what happened to bahagian B? Is that your question? For this question, is not related. Yang ni tak ada hubungan A dan B. For this question, no relation lah. But some of the question in different chapter, they might be related. It depends. Okay, bergantung pada soalan. Okay, so this one, your answer is just 3, 6. Okay, all right. Next one. So next question, they ask you to find gradient of OP, kecerunan garis OP. Okay, so this one very simple. You have point O, you have point P. I understand. If the symbol was wrong, then the answer was wrong. Which symbol? May I know? What do you mean by symbol? You mean this one over here? The final answer? XY? Oh, negative, positive. Do you get x equal to 3 or not as your final answer after you solve everything? If middle way, halfway here or here your working is different, is okay one. As long your final answer x equal 3 will still correct. They don't really see what happened in the middle. They only concern of your x value and y value. Nilai x dan y kena betul saja. What you do in the middle, they don't see. No marks. Tak ada apa-apa markah. Point of intersection, is it? Yes, of course. You need to find x and y. Guys, whenever you see the word point, right? Point, titik. You must give your answer in coordinate form. Remember, titik kena bagi dalam coordinate. Alright. If I just write equal schema dapat full mark, right? No, cannot. Guys, if you answer like this in the exam, let's say kamu tulis macam ni lah, peperiksaan, you won't get full mark. This is not a complete working. This one is just an answer schema saja. Doesn't mean you must write like this in the exam. Okay? Don't misinterpret, guys. Jangan salah faham. Tak boleh tulis macam ni. Okay, this is just to show where you get the mark. That's all. Okay? All right. So now, they ask you to count gradient of OP, guys. So how to find MOP? So you just take y over x. Am I right? So it's 12 over 8. Betul? So you must simplify also lah. So become, how much? It will become 3 over 2. Okay, this is your final answer. 3/2. All right? And then, nilai K. What is the value for K? Okay, OP and SQ, they are parallel based on the question. Okay, selari. So means that gradient is the same. Yes, kecerunan sama. So you just count the gradient for SQ. So K minus 0 over 10 minus 7. So kamu selesaikan lah. 3 over 2 equal to K over 3. So K is equal to 9 over 2. Dapat. Okay? Understand, guys? Jelas how to get all the answers? Yes, Keshan? Anything? If you got question, you can ask. Kalau ada soalan, just tanya. If we put the 9/2 in decimal form, can? Can. You can write your answer as 4.5. Boleh? 4.5 also can. No problem. Okay? Here it comes. Yeah. For those who ask Form 4 Chapter 6, this is your question, guys. Form 4 Bab 6, Ketaksaman Linear. Okay, so the question always will look like this. Yes, that is the name in BM. Okay, so they ask you to write all the linear inequalities, Ketaksaman Linear. Okay, so based on the question, guys, try to give me some inequality based on this question. You just senaraikan for me. If the started was wrong but the final was right, then the answer was wrong. For question, this question is it? Number 12. If you're talking about this question, all the parts are related, guys. Okay? Semua bahagian ada kaitan. So example, if question A you wrong, then question B also wrong because you draw your graph based on question A. Do you all know that? Soalan B ni berdasarkan soalan A. So kalau soalan A salah, B also salah, C also salah. Because C berdasarkan B. Nampak tak? Okay, this chapter, all the questions are related one. You follow the previous answer. So this is the type of question that is very dangerous. Bahaya. Because if A wrong, B wrong, C wrong, semua habis. Semua markah kosong saja at the end. Total got 9 marks, you get 0 mark if your A wrong. Honest guys, kamu akan dapat kosong kalau A kamu salah. Okay? Alright. So now, can you all tell me the answers first? For A, you need to write for the inequalities, ketaksaman. So give me some equation. Try to see the sentence and list. You can tell in any order, guys. Boleh bagi dalam apa-apa turutan. As long you tell the correct answer. Theo, inequalities, you have equal sign. Wrong already, automatic. Because they ask inequality, ketaksamaan. So cannot have equal sign. Okay? You must be careful. X greater than Y. Okay, let's see. Yes, correct. So X is more than Y. Correct. Okay, so this is your first inequality. X lebih besar dari Y. Okay, second. Some more. Yes, correct. Your symbol is very important. Because your symbol wrong, habis tadi. 150x plus 180y greater than or equal to 3000 wrong. At most, guys, careful At most, selebih-lebihnya, your symbol is always less than or equal to. You must know that. Okay, so 150x plus 180y less than or equal to 3600. Yes, correct. Okay, so like this, macam ni. Okay, last one, x plus y, at least. Okay, guys, when you see at least, sekurang-kurangnya, it means greater than or equal to. Lebih besar atau sama dengan. It's okay. You just type like this, can. Erin. You type like this, I understand. No need to write with the bar underneath. Just type like that, I understand your meaning. Okay? All right. So, yeah. So your third one is x plus y. At least sekurang-kurangnya simbol dia macam ni. Okay? Greater than or equal to. Okay, guys? Understand? So this is your answer for part A. Boleh dapat? So this one must be correct first. Okay, so now for question B, you must draw the graph. Lukis. Okay, so make sure follow the scale. Kena ikut skala. So your graph should look like this. Okay, let me show you. Who over here not good at drawing graph? Tell me, siapa tak suka lukis graph ni? You guys must know how to draw. Yes, yes, you're welcome. Okay, so for this graph, right, how to draw all the lines? You just need to find two coordinates, guys. Okay, kamu just perlu cari dua coordinate. So how? Okay, example, this one. What I will do is, I just let x equal to 0, I find my y, and I also let y equal to 0, find my x. Saya buat kaedah ni. I just find my x-intercept and y-intercept. Cari pintasan x dan y saja. Cukup. For this one also same. Find your x-intercept, find your y-intercept. So x is 0, y is 10. Betul? And then y is 0, x is 10. So kamu ada dua coordinate lah. 10, 0 and also 0, 10. Dapat tak? So when you have two coordinates, you can draw the line. Am I right? Dua coordinate kamu boleh lukis garis lurus. That's all. Same concept for this one. This one 0, 0. And then any point you like lah. 20, 20. Okay, means that x equal to y. X sama dengan y. So that's why nilai dia sama. And then this one, you guys must tekan calculator. This one is 4 marks. Graph is 4 marks. Total 9 marks. Okay. Usually section B, soalan dia antara 8 hingga 10 markah. Biasanya. Each question, one question. 8 to 10 marks, the range. Okay. So this one you will get 20 if you press calculator. And then this one you will get 24. Okay, so your coordinate is 0, 20, 24, 0. Dapat guys? Do you see the concept? How I get all the coordinate? So when you have two coordinate, kamu boleh lukis graph. So you just plot all these coordinate on your graph. Yang biru punya. Okay? So you have 6 coordinate total. So then you will get something like this. Okay guys? Are you clear? Boleh dapat how to get this graph? And then shaded region, kawasan berlorek. You must see your inequality symbol. Okay, nampak ketaksaman kamu. Okay, so for this one, greater than or equal to. Lebih besar atau sama dengan. So, kena lorek ke atas lah. Okay, shade above. Macam ni. Okay, and then second, you see the next one. Less than or equal to. Lebih kecil atau sama dengan. So, lorek ke bawah. Okay, so like this. Okay, wait, I use different color or else you confuse. Okay, so lorek ke bawah, shade downwards. Sir, brainwash Kai. Why? What is he saying? I don't like to draw graph, but I would love to draw you into my mind. No comments lah. These kind of things I got no comment. Kai, you just say to your girlfriend can lah. That's what I want to tell you. Don't tell over here. If you have girlfriend, just tell to that person straight away. That's all I can say. Okay, now, what else? You see, now I forget what I want to say also. Okay, this one. How to shade this region, guys? Macam mana kamu nak lorek yang ni? Okay, be careful lah. This one, your equation is y less than x. Okay? Y less than x. Remember, this one will confuse you. Yang ni akan mengelirukan anda. Don't shade above, because you see greater than, you shade above. Wrong. Always, your equation must be in y equal to mx plus c format. Kena dalam format ni. Baru boleh tentukan kat mana kamu lorek. Faham? So you need to rearrange the equation. So y is less than x. So kena lorek ke bawah. Okay, so that's why you see for y equal to x, you shade down ke bawah. So can you see guys? Red, blue, pink. Kat mana mereka silang? Kat sini kan? Over here, right? The intersection. So kamu lorek kat situ lah. Kat mana semua warna bersilang. That's all. You will get the answer. Okay? Are you clear with the graph? Any problem? So this is how you draw in the exam. All right? Okay. Next one. So for question C, you must use your graph. Berdasarkan graph. Alright. So they ask you state the range. Nyatakan julat. 5 student for physics. Okay, so for physics is Y. Okay, so Y sama dengan 5. So you guys must draw a line. Kena lukis. Okay, let me show you. So Y equal to 5 means that you must draw this line. So range means minimum and maximum. Minimum 5, maximum you will get how much? 18. Okay? Do you guys see the concept? How to get it? So Y equal to 5 is a horizontal line. Garis mendata. Y equal to 5. It's not necessary. For Y equal to 5, you want to draw solid or dotted, both also can. Dua-dua pun boleh. Garis padu ataupun garis putus-putus pun boleh. Tak ada masalah. Tapi yang ni kena putus-putus lah. Dan yang ni kena padu. Yang ni kena ikut. Okay, this one you guys must follow. But for part C, dia tak kisah. Alright? Can guys? So, make sure you follow. So, this is final answer. Jawapan akhir. Alright? Any problem guys? This question? Ada apa-apa masalah soalan ni? If don't have, we continue. Kalau tak ada, pergi lagi. Alright? So this one is your graph. Okay? Alright. So next one, question 13. Come to sets. Okay, so they ask you list down set P, Q, and R using set notation. Tanda set. Okay, so can you guys tell me for P, multiples of 2, gandaan 2. You guys list down. This one is your universal. Two, 4, 6, 8. Yes, correct. Okay, so for P, you should have 2, 4, 6, 8. Can I list down 10? Yes or no? Boleh masuk 10 atau tidak for P? Cannot because less than 10. Lebih kurang dari 10. So tak boleh masuk 10. Alright? Yes. Okay, and then for Q, can you guys list down? Multiple of 3. Gandaan 3. Very good. 369. 369. And then R, perfect square. Nombor kuasa 2 sempurna. 149. Yes, very good. So this is all the basic terms that you must know lah guys. Okay, semua ni kamu kena tahu. Okay, and then next one, draw a Venn diagram. Okay, so you have all the information. You can start to draw already. Okay, so bila lukis, you first thing right guys, you must kenal pasti ada persilangan tak. Okay, try to find is there any intersection or not. Okay, so example P and Q, there is an intersection. Persilangan kat 6. And then P and R also got intersection kat nombor 4. And then Q and R also got intersection. So means that semua bulatan dia akan sentuh antara satu sama lain. All the circle will touch because everything have intersection with each other. Okay? Understand? And then the elements that not there, you must put outside the box. Letak di luar kotak. Faham? So you must draw like this. Okay? And make sure must have dot guys. Kalau tak letak titik yang ni, salah. Must have dot. When you showing element, unsur, kena ada titik. Alright? So then you will get full mark. This one. Okay? Alright. Next one. They ask you to find P intercept Q union R prime. Okay, so may I know guys, A or B? Which one you guys must solve first? Mana kena buat dulu? This one you guys must know. Yes, very good. Okay, always solve the bracket first. Selesaikan kurungan dulu. Alright, so P intercept Q. So P is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Intercept Q. Q is 369. So your answer is 6. Sebab persilangan. Okay, and then union. Union R prime. R is 149. 149. But you have a prime. Pelengkap. Okay, so 149 prime, you guys will have what? Anything else lah? Okay, yang selain 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 tak ada, you don't have 10 because less than 10, universal. Okay, so your answer is 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Settle lah. Okay, and then number, bilangan. So bilangan dia adalah 6. 6 number. Okay, so your answer is this one. Okay, clear? Jelas soalan ni, everyone? So this one you guys got 8 marks. A lot of marks. Banyak. Alright. Okay, next one. Question 14. Okay, question 14 is something new. Network in graph theory. You guys like this chapter or not? Rangkaian dalam teori graph. Kena lukis lah, kira jarak terpendek, semua yang tu. Okay, Form 4 chapter 5. 50-50. Actually, it's easy. Okay, so the first question, they ask you complete directed weighted graph. Okay, so directed terarah means that you must have arrow. Okay, kena ada anak panah. Weighted berpemberat, you must have value. Kena ada nilai. So when you draw your graph, make sure you have these two things. Kena ada. Okay, all right. So all the information is here. You guys just need to complete the graph. Lengkapkan saja. So example, I show you lah. PQ 310. So you draw PQ arrow label 310. Contoh. Okay, and then what else? You have QT 500. So you just draw QT 500. Dapat konsep tak guys? So you just continue lah. Buat untuk semua, you guys should get something like this. Look very complicated, right? Nampak susah kan? But just do one by one. Simple only. Just follow all the information. Ikut satu persatu. Okay, you will get the final answer. Okay, because there are a lot of distance over here. Banyak. Okay? Can guys? Boleh ya? For this one. Just make sure you draw logic lah. Okay? Alright. So next one. They ask you list 3 routes that might be taken. Okay, so he want to shop at P and then at V. Okay, so maksudnya dari P sampai V. Okay, so what are the routes? Can you guys see over here? You think and see. Try to list down. You start here, you must end here. So you just like play a puzzle lah. Main saja. Apa laluan yang mungkin? So anyone? First one? Yes. Of course must follow direction guys. Kena ikut arah. PQRV. Q to R got laluan. Kai, your arrow come like this, you can go this way. Wow. This one is a person potential for accident lah. Guys, you understand the concept of Jalan Sahala or not? All of you. You always see on the road Jalan Sahala. Can you go the opposite direction? Boleh pergi arah bertentangan tak? You go arah bertentangan, you go and die already. Habis. So you must understand the concept of one way. Okay? I haven't get license, so still safe. You try and see lah. PQUV. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, so this is one way. Some more? What other route got? PQRV. PQRV salah di. That one. So any other? You must list 3 guys. 3. This one is 1. PQSV. Yes, can. PQSV. PQSV. What else? PTV. Another person that gonna kena accident. Mr. Teo Mr. Teo. PT got laluan Mrs. Esther want to kena kemalangan, is it? Wow, these people dangerous lah. Oh my God. I scared for you guys going to mati on the road lah. Like this. Jalan Sahala, guys. Oh my God. Wow. Never mind, never mind. Just better make the mistake now. Don't make the mistake later. Okay, so the next one will be PQTV. Okay, PQTV. Third one. Done lah. 3 already. Okay, so you can see over here 3 votes. Okay, so the next one, they ask you to count the shortest distance, jarak terpendek. So you just tekan calculator for these three votes over here. Press all the value, and then you guys will get the answer is 1260 meter. Okay, so the route is actually, let me check and see. 310 plus 700 plus 250. So it's PQUV. This one is the shortest, terpendek. All right. So you just press for all three and then you compare. Bandingkan, pilih yang terpendek. Okay. Understand, guys? This question? Dapat? For number 14? No problem, huh? Okay, so continue. Number 15. Okay, this is the last for section B. Okay, so they ask you count the range, guys. This one is your Form 4 Chapter 8, Julat. So do you all still remember how to count range? Come on. Very simple. So anyone? Julat? Final answer? Yes. Big value minus small value, correct. Okay, so the big value here is 10. The small value is 1. Okay, so the answer is 9. 10 minus 1. Okay, and then interquartile range, Julat antara quartile. Okay, this one you must be careful a bit. Okay, you will have a few methods over here. One method is you can list down everything. Boleh senaraikan semua. So example 1, 1. You see 1, 2 times, right? Nombor 1 tu datang 2 kali. So you list down number 1, 2 times. May I ask how many formula in this chapter 8? This one, let me see. You mean how many that is given, is it? In the formula sheet. Is that your question? Or you mean generally, how many formula? A lot. I also don't know how many. Quite a lot. Because this one is more on calculation. But you just follow me lah for this question. Actually, this question here, it covers most of the formula already. Okay? So, for number 2, you list down 5 times. So, you see the method, right, guys? Kamu list down saja. Number 3, 6 kali. So, kamu tulis 3, 6 kali lah. But this method is a bit too long. Terlalu panjang kalau kamu cuba list down. Tapi masih boleh lah. Still can. My concept is you just cut left and right. Okay, potong kiri dan kanan. You find your Q1 and Q3. Yes, got other method. This one is just suggestion. Cadangan saja. Okay. If you guys got a lot of time, ada banyak masa, you guys can use this method lah. So macam ni. Then you guys start. I show you the hardest method. This is the hardest one. So you just cut left and right. Potong kiri dan kanan. Until you come to the middle. Potong semua. Cut everything. One by one. But make sure you must arrange in ascending order, guys. Kena ikut urutan menaik. So potong. Wow, so much lah. Okay, so you will find out that your median is over here. Am I right? Q2 kat sini kan? So your answer is 4. Correct? So now, you can find the Q3. So Q3 macam mana cari? Kamu lihat ke kanan lah. To the right. So you start to cut again. Potong lagi sekali. Okay, so you must use different color. Or else you confuse. You cut, continue cut. This method is very, very manual lah, guys. Sangat manual. It will take a long time. But the answer is correct lah. Okay, so you can see your Q3 is over here. Is 5. 5. You get the answer. And then Q1, you see to the left, sebelah kiri. So you cut, just continue to cut. Potong semua, kiri kanan. So you guys will get the answer is this one, kat sini. Okay, so your answer is 2.5. When like this, guys, you have two numbers, right? Kena ambil kat tengah-tengah tau. So Q1 is actually 2 plus 3 over 2. 2.5. Faham tak? Okay, when you have two numbers, make sure you plus, divide 2. Okay, so interquartile range 5 minus 2.5. Q3 minus Q1. Julat antara kuartil 2.5. Done. Okay, and then standard deviation, CCN PRY, use the formula. Okay, so for standard deviation, your formula is this one. Okay, you need to find mean first, guys. Kamu kena cari mean dulu. Okay, so make sure you use the mean formula. This one. So you can see over here. Just take the two data, times with each other, darab, both of them, you get this. And then divide by the total, 32. Okay, and then you use the standard deviation formula, this one. Then you will get the answer lah, CCN PRY. Mesti punca kuasa 2. Okay, do you all understand? Dapat? Can you understand? Just use the data only carefully. Okay, so your X is actually this one. Your time is your X. Your number of student is your F. Kekerapan, frequency. Okay, number means frequency. All right. Any problem, guys? This question, jelas? Can get the concept? Don't be quiet, guys. Jangan senyap, All can? So far? Okay, next one. So they ask you which dispersion is more appropriate. Mana serakan yang paling sesuai? Okay, so you see the data over here, guys. You think and see which is the most suitable measure of dispersion. Got only two answers, guys. First answer is interquartile range. The second answer is median. So kamu fikir mana yang lebih sesuai antara dua yang ni. Whenever they ask which one is a more suitable measure of dispersion, yang mana sukatan serakan lebih bagus, jawapan dia dua ni saja. Pilih satu. So you guys think and see which one is the correct answer. Yes, the answer is A. Okay, julat antara kuartil. Why? Kenapa kamu pilih A? What's the reason? You must have reason also. Sebab anyone got idea? Why you choose IQR? Think. Because it's more fair. Not so accurate. It do calculate more than one time? No. Okay, always remember, guys, when they ask you which measure of dispersion is more suitable. Oh my God. As I say, Kai, if I ask you to jump down from the hill, you jump down from the hill, right? Saya suruh terjun bangunan, kamu pergi terjun. Very smart. Okay, remember, when they ask you sukatan serakan yang mana lebih tepat, you guys must always see, is there extreme value in the data or not? Kamu semua faham tak? Extreme value, nilai ekstrim. Maksudnya nilai yang luar daripada pola yang lain. So you see over here, tiba-tiba ada 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, lepas tu 10. So this is what you call as extreme value, nilai ekstrim. So when you have extreme value in the data, always you must choose interquartile range, julat antara kuartil. Kalau tak ada nilai ekstrim, pilih median. Faham? That is the concept. Okay? So that's why the answer is julat antara kuartil. Okay? Can guys? Boleh? You want to know the reason or not? Why when extreme value you choose interquartile range? Nak tahu tak? Kenapa macam tu? Do you all want to know the reason? Okay, very simple. Okay, you can, I just show you a data lah. Random data that have extreme value. Okay, let's say your data like this only. Ada 5 nombor saja. So guys, the extreme value is 22, right? Yang ni nilai ekstrim. Betul? So, why you use IQR? IQR is Q3 minus Q1. Am I right? So you count and see, guys. Q3 kat sini berapa? Okay, Q3 kat sini sebenarnya 22 plus 6 over 2. Okay, Q1 1 plus 2 over 2. Okay, so jawapan kamu 14 minus 3 over 2. Okay, so you count and see. Your answer is 12.5. Am I right? 12.5. Okay, and then you guys, okay, based on this data, you guys see the answer is 12.5, right? IQR. Okay, so do you think the value over here, right, does it affect your interquartile range? 22 ni dia pengaruhi tak nilai jual antara kuartil? Yes or no? Does it affect? You can compare and see, guys. I give you another example lah. Let's say the first three numbers same. Saya bagi satu lagi contoh. 22 saya tukar jadi 7. You count and see the IQR. Cuba kira. What is the answer you get? Minus 1 plus 2 over 2. See whether it change or not. Adakah dia ubah? Okay, so 13 over 2 minus half. You get 6. So guys, can you see the difference? Nampak beza? Besar tak beza ni? Is the difference very large? I think yes, right? 12.5 suddenly go down to 6. So guys, 22 actually affect your interquartile range. So that's why I say when there is extreme value, you must choose interquartile range because you can see the effect clearly. Boleh nampak kesan sangat jelas. Contoh macam ni. Faham tak? So that is why when got extreme value, nilai extreme, pilih julat antara kuartil. Okay? Make sense, right? So that's why. Alright? Any problem? Jelas? Okay. So now we go to section C. Okay, so section C. One question. Kita pilih satu soalan saja. So you guys tell me lah. Since you guys must answer only one question. Okay, section C got two. Choose one. So you guys want me to discuss 16 or discuss 17? Kamu semua pilih. Wait, I show you 17 first. Kamu kena lihat dua-dua soalan. Then you guys pilih which one you want. I will follow majority one. 16 or 17. Okay, 17 lah. Majority say 17. You guys must be smart to choose, especially during exam. Kena pintar. Always choose a question where you can score more mark. Pilih soalan yang senang score. Okay? Alright. Okay, so for this one, come again. Calculate interquartile range. Okay, so very simple. You have the data here already. So use the method just now. Okay, cancel. Okay, median kat sini. So your median is actually how much? Let me count. 47.5. Okay, 46 plus 49 bahagi 2. Okay, so you will have 47.5. Okay, so what is your Q3? Kuartil ketiga. So you just cut. So your kuartil ketiga is actually here. 50 plus 51 over 2. Okay, so your answer is 50.5. 50.5. And then Q1. So Q1 cut this one over here. So Q1 is actually 42. 42. Okay, so IQR 50.5 minus 42. Okay, so jawapan dia 8.5. Okay, dapat? Can you see the concept? So you see, right, guys, when you have very little data, ada data sangat kurang, boleh guna konsep yang ni, yang saya buat. Tapi kalau sangat banyak nombor, very lot of number, you can use the concept Q3 is equal to 3 over 4 times total frequency. This is the formula, guys. Rumus dia. Okay, you can use this formula. Q1 is equal to 1 over 4 times total frequency. You all know this, right? Semua tahu yang ni kan rumus ni. Okay, because Q3 is third quartile. Kuartil ketiga maksudnya 3/4 lah. Because quartile means 4. 4. Okay, and then Q1, first quartile. So 1 over 4 times total. Okay, dapat? So this is alternative. Okay, guys, continue. Alright, so now graph of motion, graph gerakan. So they ask you state the uniform speed. So anyone? Uniform speed. Apa jawapan dia? Laju seragam. Yes. Okay, this is your uniform speed. It never change. So the answer is 160. Okay, next one. they ask you calculate the value of t. Distance, jarak dia 2800. Okay, so they are talking about this one. Okay, so guys, jarak, how to find jarak over here? What is the concept to find distance? Now your graph is speed versus time. Laju melawan masa. Yes. Okay, always remember distance is the area under the graph. Okay, jarak tu adalah luas di bawah graph. So means that luas trapezium. Okay, so half times 160 plus 200 times t minus 22. Just use the formula for area of trapezium equal to distance 2880. Selesaikan untuk t. Okay, so when you solve the equation, you will get t is equal to 38. Okay, any problem? Ada apa-apa masalah this question? Can boleh? Continue? Okay, next one. Okay, question C. Well, again, come back to Venn diagram. Usually the topic will repeat, guys, because I never include Form 5 topic yet. That's why saya tak masuk tingkatan 5 lagi. That's why you see the topic keep on repeat. Okay? All right. So this one, they ask you calculate the value of H. Okay. Okay, so they say got 54 total. Okay, total dia 54. And then number of customer choose marinated mutton and chicken 16. Okay, so kambing dan ayam 16. So kambing ayam. So mean that K and A 16. Okay, very good this question. Okay, so means that this total, right guys, jumlah ni, right, you should get 16. Do you understand? Because they say the total is 16. Jumlah 16 untuk kambing dan ayam. Okay, make sure you guys understand the statement. Is the whole circle there, not this one, not this one. 16 merujuk kepada seluruh. Okay, so means that 2H plus 4 is equal to 16. So 2H is equal to 12, H is equal to 6. You get the answer already. Sudah dapat. See, so you should get H is equal to 6. Okay, next one. The number of customer who only choose one product. Pilih satu produk saja. So means that is this region, and also this region. Am I right? Semua kawasan ni. So, what you do? Okay, you already get H is 6, right? So, gantikan. So, this one you will get 12. Okay, 12. Because 2H. Okay, so let me see. Okay, number of customer choose beef. Half those who choose chicken. Okay, lembu adalah setengah daripada ayam. Okay, so wait I need to label nicely. Okay, so lembu setengah daripada ayam. Okay, so lembu total lah 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 is half, setengah daripada ayam. 12 plus 4 plus 3 plus, okay, this one we don't know, right guys? Yang ni tak tahu kan for ayam. So you just put X lah. Okay, then you can find the X. Cari nilai X. So you will get 26 equal to 19 plus X. So X sama dengan 7. Okay, so far dapat. So this one you already get 7. 7. So now you can find this, right? Boleh cari yang ni kan because you have the total 54. So 54 minus 1, minus 5, minus everything. Tolak semua. Okay, so you will get how much? Cuba kira. You should get 22, I think, if not mistaken. Yeah, 22 over here. Okay, so now they ask you only the one product. Pilih satu produk saja. So means that 22 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, so that's why final answer 34. 34. Okay, so you should get 34. Okay, how to get 1 over 2? They say half. Separuh. Half means 1 over 2, right? Separuh. Okay, make sure you guys know the language. Okay, this one very important. Okay, so now they ask you state the ratio. Nyatakan nisbah K to L to A. Okay, so you need to count the total. So for K, guys, can you all tell me what is the total? You guys very silent. Apa jumlah bagi K? I scared you guys sleep over there. Try to count for me. Total for K. Anyone? Jumlah K? Come on. Kiva. Yes. Okay, so you should get 39. 22 plus 1 plus 4 plus 12. 39. Okay, jumlah for L. Anyone? Come on guys. Active a bit, all of you. Apa jumlah dia for L? Yes. Okay, you should get 13. 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, and then for for A, how much? Okay, 26. Yes, correct. Okay, so what is the nisbah? You guys can just simplify this lah. K to L to A. So 39 to 13 to 26. So if you simplify, you should get 3 to 1 to 2. Bagi 3. Bagi 13. Okay, so you will get 3 to 1 to 2. Okay? Dapat guys? Are you clear? Senang kan? Very straightforward, right? Okay, last question for paper 2. Okay, so for this question, they are giving you a situation. Okay, so they say one hamper needs 1.24 meter of plastic wrap. Okay, so they say 2/5 from the total length has been used. Okay, so the total length we don't know. Okay, kita tak tahu jumlah. And that is the question. Itu adalah soalan dia. Okay, so you think and see ya guys. They say one hamper 1.24 meter. So now you got 20, right? 20 hamper kan? So you can find the length. Okay, jumlah. So you just times by 1.24. So you will get 24.8 meter. Okay, so 24.8 meter is the amount you use. Okay, wait. 4 rolls of plastic wrap. Oh, okay. Now I see it. There is 4 rolls. 4 gulung. So now they want you to find satu gulung saja. All right. So 24.8 meter is for 4 rolls. Wait, let me see if I'm getting it correct. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, so 2/5 from the total length has been used. Okay, so the total length we actually don't know. Tak tahu. Okay, so actually you can do it like this. Okay, you can use the concept of ratio, nisbah. Can you guys see? It's actually equal to each other one. Sama. Okay, because 24.8 is the amount for 20 hampers. 20 saja. And then divide by the total length. Okay, jumlah. Okay, for 4 rolls, 4 gulung. This X is the total length for 4 rolls. Okay, so is equal to 2/5. 2/5. Same, right? You guys understand, right? The concept. Because this is the amount you use to wrap. Bilangan yang kamu guna untuk balut 20 hamper. And then 2/5 is how much you use also lah to balut. So you solve and see, you will get X equal to 62. 62. Okay, if you guys press calculator correctly. Okay, and then you must divide by 4. Bagi 4. Because now you want to find 1 roll. Satu gulung. That's why your final answer is 15.5. Okay? Dapat guys? I don't understand. Wait. Okay. Let me explain one more time for those don't understand. Okay. Erin, you go step by step. One hamper, 1.24 meter. Now you have 20 hamper. So 1.24 times 20. Correct? This one faham kan? You just times 20. So you will get how much? You get 24.8 meter. Okay, this 24.8 meter is for 20 hampers. You must know that. Okay, 20 hampers. Okay, so 24.8 meter, 20 hampers. So you don't know the total length. Am I right? Kamu tak tahu jumlah panjang. untuk 4 gulung plastik tu. Okay, so I just give a variable, bagi saja apa-apa huruf. So let's say I call it X, the total. So I'm comparing the ratio now, nisbah. That's why I use divide. When you see the word ratio or nisbah, means divide. Okay, so divide X. So this is actually equal to 2/5. Because dia kata dia guna 2/5 daripada keseluruhan panjang. Sama lah dengan nilai yang saya buat. Faham tak? Sebab saya guna 24.8 untuk balut 20 hamper tu per jumlah X yang saya tak tahu. Sama dengan 2/5. Okay, so you cari nilai X. Then bahagi 4. Sebab X tu untuk 4 gulung. Sekarang soalan nak 1 gulung. 1 roll. Okay? Can guys? So we finish paper 2. Sudah habis kertas 2. Okay, so now all of you get ready for paper 1. We are going to speed run paper 1 like Superman. You know Superman, right? We discuss very fast. Sangat pantas. Okay, so for paper 1, only the question that you find hard, we will discuss. Hanya soalan yang kamu rasa susah dan tak boleh selesaikan, we discuss. Yang senang-senang tak perlulah. Okay, so I will just ask like this. Like question 1 to 3. Do you have any question? Then you comment the number. First question I didn't discuss because you only asked 17. In section C, you only need to answer one question. That's why no need to do both. Section C, paper 2 for maths, only choose one out of 2 for your SPM. Okay? All right. So guys, question 1, 2, 3. Any question you want me to discuss over here? Apa-apa soalan yang kamu rasa susah kat sini? 1, 2, 3. Any questions? 3. You just comment the number only. Okay, so for question 3, they ask which one is true. Manakah yang benar? Okay, you see one by one. Option A. So square root P times square root P. Your answer should get P. Okay, understand, right? Because square root is power half. P power half times P power half equal to P power 1 kuasa 1, which is equal to P. So 2P yang ni salah lah. Wrong. Okay. Second one. So you have square root 2P times P. So you should get square root 2P square. Ataupun square root 2P. Dapat? Do you see the concept? Because square root 2P square, I can pisahkan. Okay, you can separate, become like this. So square root 2, square root 2. Square root P square, P. Sebab punca kuasa 2 dengan kuasa 2 potong. Cancel. Okay, so this one also wrong. And then this one, confirm wrong. Okay, yang ni jawapan dia P saja. Okay, so that's why jawapan akhir is actually D. D is correct. Okay, 2P power half times P power half, you will get 2P. Okay, dapat? Okay, no other question, Continue. Okay, question 4. Anyone want discuss? Soalan 4. And also question 5. Soalan 5. Any questions? 5. Only 5, 5 saja. Okay. So for question 5, this one. Okay, 4 also. Wow, you guys suddenly tell question 4. Never mind. Okay. So they say the length of the subsequent triangle is 2 cm more. All right. So they want you to find the 100. Okay, this one for those who take admaths, very simple. But for mathematics, you guys got learn this formula also in lower form. If not mistaken, you got learn this formula. You must know this formula actually. Although it's an admaths one, right? You must know it. Okay, this is actually to count the length for an unknown triangle, like the 100 triangle. Untuk kira panjang satu segitiga yang kamu tak tahu, 100. Terlalu besar. For this one, if anyone take admaths, this is your progression formula, arithmetic. But mathematics also you guys must know because it's inside your lower form syllabus. Okay, so means that your n value here is 100, right? 100. And then what is your a value? The first triangle is your a value. segitiga pertama. Okay, so it's 4 plus n is 100 minus 1 d. D is 2 because 2 cm more. 2 cm lebih panjang. Okay, so you substitute 2 and then press calculator. Okay, so you will get 99 times 2, 202. Okay, so this is the length for the 100 triangle. Okay, so for area, half times base times height. Setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Tinggi dia selalu sama. Always the same. 5 cm. So you get the answer lah. Okay, so final answer, you will get 505. A. Understand, guys? For those who ask question 4, dapat? So the most important thing is remember this formula. Okay, this one you learn in lower form. Okay, menengah rendah mathematics. Okay, all right. So now question 5. So question 5, indices. So you must expand power 3, kembangkan kat semua sebutan. Okay, this one also must power 3. Everything power 3 1 times 5 power 3 f1 over 3 power 3. Okay, and then divide 10e power 4. Okay, so the answer is 8e 9 times 125f over 10e4. Okay, start to press calculator. Boleh tekan 8 times 125 over 10. You should get 100. So A and B wrong. And then e power 9 minus 4. Okay, divide means must minus the power. Kalau bahagi, kuasa tolak. Okay, so your answer is 100 e power 5 f. So answer is donkey. Okay, dapat question 5? Can so far? Okay, so next one. Question 6. Question 6, 7. Any questions over here? Number 6 and number 7. Anyone got question, don't know how to do? Tada? Don't have. Okay, don't have, we continue only. Okay, next one. Question, this one not clear. Okay, question 8, question 9. Question 9 you all don't see. Question 9 is form 5. Jangan lihat. Just see question 8. Question 9 I mistake already. Question 8 none, Tada. 8. Don't have, Okay, continue. Question 10, 11. Any questions? 10, 11, and one more. Wait. 10, 11, and 12. Any questions? 10, 11, 12. 12 only, Okay, number 12. Okay, so for this question, x minus y. Okay, very simple. This one is right angle triangle. Segitiga sudut tegak. So Pythagoras theorem for x. Square root 24 square plus 7 square. So 25. So x equal to 25. And then this one also Pythagoras. So square root 26 square minus 24 square. You will get 10. 10. So 10 is equal to y minus 4. So y is equal to 14. 14. So x minus y is equal to 25 minus 14. So the answer is 11. 11. Okay, so the answer is donkey. Alright, dapat? So all the triangle here is right angle one. Segitiga sudut tegak. So you need to do Pythagoras 2 times. 2 kali. Okay, alright. Next one, 13 and 14. Any questions? 13, 14. 15? Mana 15? Tak sampai lagi 15. 13, 14 only so far. Any question? Anyone? 13, 14? Ada apa-apa? Kalau tak ada, pergi ya. Okay, question 15. You want me to discuss this one? Erin, nak bincang yang ni. Okay, so for question 15, Sada. Okay, question 16, anyone want to discuss also tell me, 16. Okay, so for question 15, quadratic. Okay, minus 12. This is your y-intercept, pintasan y. So minus 12, this one wrong. Minus 12 correct. Positive 12 salah. And then correct. Okay, so your answer is only B or D. And then x square. X square, your A value greater than 0, right? Nilai A lebih besar dari kosong. So graph must senyum, smile. Okay, both also correct. Now, you must see your roots. Okay, cuba cari punca. So x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. Sama dengan kosong. Factorize. Okay, so x 4, 3 plus minus. So x is equal to 3. X is equal to negative 4. Okay, so that's why jawapan dia, you should get donkey. Okay, understand? Erin? Can, okay, next one. 16? Ada soalan? Tak ada? Don't have. Okay, next one. 17, 18. Any question? 17, 18. Nana? Tak ada. Okay, next one. 19. Any question? 19 and 20. 19, 20. None. Tak ada lagi. Okay, continue. 21, 22. 21, 22. Any question? Nana? Still tak ada. Wow, very good are you guys? Still tak ada. Okay, 23. Any question? 23. None? Question 21, wait. 21 is lower form. Mendengar rendah. You want to discuss? Okay, so for question 21, they say if the profit gain in 2022 increase by 480,000. Okay, very simple. Compared to the year before. So year before, the value is negative 250. This is the value. Okay, so they say increase by 480,000. Okay, this one is in thousand, guys. So negative 250K. So now they say increase by 480K. So your answer is actually 230K. The current profit lah. Okay, this is for 2022. 2022. So the question is, calculate the difference. Beza. 2022, 2018. 2018 is 500K. So just count the difference lah. 500 minus 230. So the answer is 370K. Understand? That one only lah. You must just know how to read this graph. That is what they are testing you. Kena tahu cara baca graph ni saja. That's all. Okay. Alright. So 22 none. 23 also none. 23 tak ada. Okay, continue. 24 and 25. Any questions? 24, 25. Anything? Kalau tak ada, continue. Continue. Okay. So next one, 26, 27. Any questions? 26, 27. Anything? Nada? Okay, continue. Next one, 28, 29. Any question? 28, 29. Wow, you guys very poor. All this easy for you, Adi. Ada? 27. 27 above. Oh, which one is lokai? Lokai, you must understand circle, bulatan. So 1, yes. When the clock move, it form a circle, bulatan. Okay, so automatic C and D salah. Okay, and then movement of the tip of a windshield. It will also create a circle. Actually, semi-circle lah, semi-bulatan. So this is also a lokai. So that's why the answer is B. Understand? So you just understand locus as a semicircle or a circle. Must have a constant radius lah. That is the key point. Jejari kena sama. Alright? Can This one is fakta. Soalan fakta. Alright? Okay. So next one, 28, 29 Nana. Tada. Okay, so 30 and 31. Any questions? 30, 31. Tada? Don't have, Okay, 30. So for question 30, y-intercept. Okay, so for this one, you must form the equation lah. So y equal to mx plus c. So y is 0, m is negative 2 over 3, x is negative 12 plus c. Just substitute the coordinate, gantikan. So c equal to, negative 8. Okay, so the answer is boy. That's all. Okay, dapat? Okay, so 31. Tada, don't have. Okay, continue. 32. Ada. All these lower form lah. Menengah rendah saja. Okay, 33. 33. Okay, 32. Alright, so for question 32. Total 1750. Okay, so you must see the symbol. One of these is 70. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and half. 6.5. So 70 times 6.5. You must press calculator lah. 70 times 6.5. 455. And then this one, second day, 4.5. 70 times 4.5, 315. And then 70 times 3, 210. Okay, you just label. This is pictograph. This kind of graph is called as pictograph. Means got picture. Ada gambar. Okay, so they say total 1750. Third day is twice the fifth day. Hari ketiga 2 kali. Hari kelima. So this one should be 420 lah. Times 2. Darab 2. Okay, so now the question is fourth day. Total 1750. So 1750 minus all this. Okay, tolak semua yang ni. Okay, so when you minus, you will get answer is 350. 350. Okay, so they want the number of parcel. So 350 must bahagi 70 lah. Okay, so the number of picture is 5. Jawapan is B. Okay, can get it? All right. Okay, 33. Any question? 33. Also one. Okay, this one stem and leaf. Okay, highest mark 78. Correct? The highest mark is here, tertinggi. So 1 is correct. Automatic CD salah. So you just see A and B. Lowest mark 39. Salah. Lowest mark is 34. 34. So 2 is wrong. So confirm the answer is boy. 1 and 3. Range of mark 44. Okay, so range is 78 minus 34. So 44. Terbesar tolak terkecil. Okay, understand? Can Okay, next one. 34, 35, 36. Any question? 34, 35, 36. Anything? Ada apa-apa? Don't have, Okay, so continue. Lagi. 37 and 38. Any questions? 37, 38. None? Ada? Okay, continue some more. 37. Okay. Wait, 37. Oh, valid and sound. Deductive argument. Okay, this one you must remember the format lah. Okay, so if P then Q, so they say 3 is an element of set P. So means that this one is the remainder lah. Set P equal to XX is an integer. So the answer is A. Okay, so you just follow the format. Ikut saja. Alright, so the answer you should get is A. Alright, okay, so 38. Nana? 38 tak ada. Okay, last one. 39, 40. Any question? 39, 40. None. Habis tadi. That's all. Oh, 40. Okay, simple graph. Remember, no loops, no multiple edge. Tak ada gelong, tak ada berbilang tepi. A got loop, salah. C got multiple edge, salah. D also got multiple edge, berbilang tepi, salah. So your answer can only be A. Sorry, B. Remember, simple graph, no loops, no multiple edge. Tak ada gelong, tak ada berbilang tepi. Okay? Understand? So done. Congratulations, guys. We have finished discuss paper 1 and paper 2. So all of you understand the discussion? Graph terarah. Graph terarah must have arrow lah. Kena ada anak panah. That's all. Okay? Does it help you all? Membantu? Hopefully it helped you all recap lah some of your form 4 and also lower form. Hopefully it helped. Okay, so all the best for those also having exam. You guys will be having your exam soon, right? More classes, must have time lah. Because you must understand, I also teach admats. So admats also I need to focus. Of course, you come when? I start 7:30, you know. 7:30 until 10 o'clock. Quite long lah. 2 hours, 30 minutes. But okay lah. Discuss 2 paper in 2 hours, 2 and